In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox avatar not loading. If you can't see your Roblox avatar, refresh the page. If it doesn't work, log out on your Roblox account and make a new account. Another option is check the speed of your internet connection. If it doesn't work for you, clear your browsing data. Last option is to restart your computer. I hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!